Hello, my name is Gavin and I'm going to show you how to solve this problem about applying the formula for the dot product between two vectors. And with this formula we'll be given some of the pieces to it and we'll be able to solve for the remaining piece. So just to review that, and by the way, I draw vectors like this, so that means the vector A. And for the dot product formula we have shown like that. So hang on, sorry, that's wrong. There it is. That's the dot product between two vectors equals. This means the length of vector A times the length of vector B times cos of the angle between the two vectors. So that's the rule. Now we're given that the length of vector A equals 1, and we're given also that the dot product between the two vectors equals -2. Before we start question A, that's what we're given. Now, if you are to substitute that information into this formula, you'll see that so -2 goes into this left side. So -2 equals 1 times the length of vector B times cos theta. You'll see that we actually have two unknowns here, the length of vector B and theta, so we can't solve this. And that's why for part A they're giving you another piece of information. They're telling you the length of vector B equals 2. So now we can put that in as well, and we have 1 times 2 times cos theta. So we have -2 equals 2 cos theta. So therefore, dividing both sides by 2, we get -1 equals cos theta. So that is cos theta equals -1. And to solve that, we can use our unit circle, and theta is the angle measured this way, and cos theta is the x value of the point on the circle. We want the x value to be -1, so we know -1 is over here, so that means that's the only spot it can be. So that means the angle is 180 degrees, or pi on 2. So that's the answer to question B, depending on if they want degrees or radians. Now, for part B, that's the answer for question A, yeah. For part B, they want the interval of the length of the vector B. Now, this can be a bit confusing for two reasons. One is because I thought they gave the length of B already to be 2. So why now they're asking again? Well, that's actually only for part A. So this is the only information that we get for both pieces of both A and B. So really, we don't. So this doesn't apply for part B. So we're starting again. In fact, we're starting from this point here, where we sort of have two unknowns. And if we simplify that, we got -2 equals the length of B times cos theta. And the question is, what's the interval for the length of B? Well, now it makes more sense because B can be lots of possible values depending on theta. And so an interval means like what's the range of values for the length of B. So if you rearrange for B, you get -2 divided by cos theta. But like I said, we can't solve it, like I said before. But since cos theta is limited, you've seen the cos graph. The range of cos theta is between +1 and -1, all the way through, -1 through to +1. So that actually, that limited range means that there's a limited range on B, and then that's what they're after. So I'll have a go at, now you understand the question better. Have a go at seeing if you can solve this problem. One tip I can give is let cos theta be x. So therefore, it's a bit like y equals -2 on x. If you draw that graph, you'll see that it's going to be something like this. It's a hyperbola. And we're going to find the value of y for whenever x between -1 and +1. So between here and here. That means y could be anywhere between -infinity to +infinity, excluding 0. So I believe that that's the interval for the possible values of the length of b.